Dr. John Hlophe's legal team issued an open letter to Mary Phadi. Here is their demands. Dr. John Hlophe's legal team issued an open letter to Mary Phadi. Here is their demand. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why not TV? Please subscribe. Dr. John Hlophe's legal team has filed a formal letter of demand to Mary Phadi following her public allegations of sexual advances made by the former judge president. Phadi, a major political person, made the claims on social media, leading to a rapid response from Hlophe's legal representatives, who are seeking for the immediate removal of all relevant statements. Phadi stated that Dr. Hlophe made unwanted sexual attempts towards her during a professional contact. This charge has subsequently gained a lot of attention. The accusation has caused a stir in the legal and political communities of South Africa, and there are demands for a more thorough investigation into Hlophe's behavior. Hlophe's legal team, on the other hand, contends that the allegations are baseless and damaging to Hlophe's reputation. Earlier this week, a letter of demand was sent out which stated that Phadi must take down all of social media posts that are relevant to the subject and must stop making any more public comments about it. We have examined the statements made by Mrs. Phadi, and we are certain that they have no basis in fact. According to one of Hlophe's lawyers, our clients demand that the defamatory statements be retracted immediately to avoid further legal consequences. Phadi has not yet made a public response to the letter of demand, but people close to her say that she is committed to supporting her allegations. Her charges have led to conversations on social media about how women are treated in politics and law. Many people have shown their support for Phadi for speaking up. Some of Phadi's supporters claim that women who work in male-dominated industries are frequently subjected to harassment but are hesitant to report it because they are afraid of retaliation or damage to their reputation. If Phadi does not comply with the letter of demand, Dr. Hlophe's legal team has stated that they will take further legal action, which may include a defamation lawsuit. According to legal experts, Phadi may need to think carefully about the possible ramifications of the legal threats. This is because any public court battle could attract additional media attention and make the situation more complicated. The event has pushed the topic of sexual harassment and misbehavior in professional settings back into the spotlight, with many people demanding for more transparency and accountability in dealing with such complaints. The public will be paying great attention to the legal struggle between Dr. Hlophe and Mary Phadi as it progresses. They will be waiting to see how the courts handle these severe claims and what effect it may have on the people involved. Someone commented and said, "They have got you in your pants." That is a threat, and it is done by the perpetrator. It ID and intimidation, and the good judge should know this. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why not TV? Please subscribe. Bye for now. Till we meet again next time. Subscribe.
That at the end, would like to deal with the sexual harassment claims. What can you prove? What is it that you can put on the table and say, this is what John Hlophe said to me, and this I view as an attempt at trying to get me to sleep with him?
You know, I don't have to prove anything because it is personal, and the messages that he has sent to me are the ones that can be able to prove that. I don't have to sit on the table and say, I'm trying to convince you, Cody, to say this had happened. Yeah. But if you read the messages, you will be able to tell which I had denied him to meet with me, and therefore later within that month, and then you see such responses, then you now think as to why I could not write to the president earlier. It is because everything happened so fast, in such a manner that when he sent that letter of me being requested to withdraw myself on the 26th of August, he then disappeared into the picture. And then later on, I received another letter, which is the letter that is sitting in court, and it does not make sense in terms of the dates. But where we are seated here is that I don't have to say it myself, but I can tell you now that messages can be able to prove that.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. John Hlophe TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe, please. Don't forget to like and to comment. Thank you very much. Dr. John Hlophe TV, Mutsonga wa Xiviri from Limpopo. Goodbye till we meet again next time. Subscribe.